Welcome to Guide Up. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to swap Toncoin to USDT on Tonkeeper Wallet. For that, make sure you have the application and you're logged into your account. Now at this home page, all you need to do is tap on this swap option. Now you will be led to this kind of page. There you can see two options, send and receive. Now in the send section, all you need to do is tap on it and you need to choose the Ton. It already is the Ton in my case. If it isn't in yours, then make sure to change it to Ton. Now here you need to simply enter the balance. After that, at the receive section, you need to simply select it. And here you need to select the token according to your preference. But for this video, we will go for USDT. Now at the downside, you can also see the conversion. 1 Ton is equals to 5.1731 USDT. Now after that, there you will be seeing an option to buy it. You can simply tap on that, but currently I don't have sufficient balance, so I cannot do it. But after that, if you follow accordingly, then you will be able to swap Toncoin to USDT on Tonkeeper Wallet. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Guide Up. Thank you.